So I am going to explain. Sorry, how are you going to continue from July this year, like 2022, to your gate exam 2023? Because just a moment. Sorry, let's continue. So I'm going to explain how are you going to continue from July 2022 to your gate exam 2023. In this gap, see here, if I will not make this video, then still many of you will not be willing to prepare well properly. Guys, gate preparation is very important and serious preparation. Okay, so actually see, two types of people are watching this video, I'm damn sure. One, people who are doing self study but they are not doing well. Next, they are not doing self study, they have not joined any coaching center, but they are willing, they are planning, they have moved to join the coaching center. Before I start the topic, you should know about me. My name is Vikash Kumar Shrivastav. I have cleared GATE Aerospace exam 6 times. I am teaching GATE Aerospace from 8 plus years. I have given so many toppers. And next part, whatever is required to prepare GATE exam, like live classes, all the video recordings of the previous classes, all types of test series, topic wise, chapter wise, subject wise, and full length. After that, all types of study material in PDF formats, like all types of books, all types of important assignments, and all types of formula books, handwritten notes, everything, whatever is required. Other than that, doubt sessions, personal level doubt sessions, crash course batches, revision batches, all those things, whatever you are looking for, I am providing from last several years. Now, many of you, when you join my coaching center or when you join me, they say, sir, today only YouTube recommended this video to me. Sir, today only I came to know about this video. Sir, before this, just recently, before 1 month, sir, I came to know about this video. Like blah 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 things are actually going on. So if you think this video is being helpful, immediately share with your friends. Now let's plan how are you going to behave from July month of 2022 to your Feb month of GATE exam 2023. So from July to Feb, how should you plan? So see, go very technical. I will write down here July, August, September, November. Okay. After that, sorry. July, August, September, October, November, and December. You can see here. Then next year will start Jan, Feb. Okay. Jan month you keep only for full length test series. Okay, every day you solve one full length test series. So I'll be giving you 30 full length test series with detailed solution. Okay, and if you have and total test series will be 400. Okay, remaining test series you should start from October. So October, November, December, these 3 months you will complete with the help of these 400 test series. And in this July, August, September, what are you going to do? You will complete your preparation, you will complete your notebooks, you will solve all the assignments with the help of my video courses. Okay, so I have all types of video courses. I have programs from 5k to 55k, different fee structure for different programs and different facilities. Whatever you are willing to, you can you do one thing, you just contact me on WhatsApp. My contact number is 6380135260. Okay, 6380135260. This is my contact number. You just give me a WhatsApp message. First you save my number, and after that you give me WhatsApp messages. And now remember, I'm going to give you some more suggestions. See, but before that I'll finish this. You save my number, and after that you will give me a WhatsApp message that, sir, I'm interested in GATE preparation and I want to know about all blah blah things. So I will be giving you some important and anyway, if you'll go to the description box, don't forget to go to description, don't miss that. Go to description box, there also you'll be having all types of links. Okay, you spend if you're very new on my channel, spend few days on my YouTube channel, you will come to know about everything. Okay, I am providing the best material which will help you to crack GATE exam, seriously. And if you want to watch my toppers interview and my classroom, like everything is there on YouTube. You just go there, playlist, search playlist properly. Now next thing, you have to analyze from July month to your Feb month. Feb you should not consider. Jan month also you should not consider. It means what? Because in Jan month, see how I'm going to do. in Jan month also, when you will be writing full length test series, I will then like I will be assigning a day, a time. In that time, my regular batch students will write the test series, so you can also write with them. Okay, and in the night time, we'll be discussing the solution of the test series, so you can also do that. All these things will be happening. Okay, but it depends in which program you are enrolling. Based on that, you'll be having this kind of discussions. So Jan month and Feb month you should not consider. Now come to this July. So whatever discussion we have done here from July, August, September, these 3 months will be your game changer. Anyway, if you are preparing from your Feb month, then very very good. July, August, September is going to be your game changer. October, November, December, here you have to do two things. Whatever syllabus is lagging, that syllabus you will complete as fast as possible with the help of our videos. Okay, whatever syllabus is lagging. And after that, in October month itself, if you are joining the program in my coaching center, then again I'll be giving you revision classes again and separate crash course batch. Okay, so those things are there, and you'll be getting. So I have programs, you may be knowing, 19 different programs I have, actually 20 total different programs I have. Whatever is suitable for you, you can join. But best part about gate preparation, you should know that, see, it takes roughly 9 months, or if you are average or below average student, roughly it takes 1 year. If every day you study for 3 hours, yes, 3 to 4 hours if you are studying, then it will definitely take 1 year to complete the syllabus in detail. Okay, and nowadays gate pattern is very different. It is not like formula based thing. No, it is conceptual. It means what? Concept is much more important than practicing numericals. Anyway, practicing numericals is also very very important. I'm not saying you don't have to practice, but most of the time what happens, students will learn a topic and they will jump to the practice. Immediately they will jump to the practice. No, focus on the concepts of the topic, then you go for the practice purpose. Okay, and if you are joining a suitable program, then I'll be guiding you personally on phone call, on Zoom meeting, on WhatsApp call, whatever is comfortable for you. We have all the facilities going on. Okay, and to know all the offers and all, recently I have uploaded some videos. You just go through the channel and you watch those videos. So from July month to December month, totally you have to put inputs for preparation and test series. Okay, after that, in January month, you don't have time remaining, because once you finish the year of 2022, you forget that you can do something. No, nothing is possible. So, and one more thing, still if you are totally confused, then immediately enroll for the crash course. Very soon we are starting a crash course in October month. So in October month you can start with your crash course as well. Okay, so all these things, possibilities are there. Whoever is willing to join, immediately you join. Okay, don't waste your time. Every single day is very very important. Please don't waste your time. Enroll as soon as possible. And because completion is not the key of cracking gate exam, you have to complete your syllabus on time, and after that you have to revise your syllabus. After that you have to practice enough number of numericals, and after that all the test series what I am providing, everything you have to practice well. And then only, and main thing, whatever doubts you'll be having during preparation, all those doubts you can talk to me, like you can ask me on phone calls. Like it depends in which course you are enrolling yourself. Okay, so that's all from my side. Actually main thing was to aware you as soon as possible. You enroll somewhere, either in my coaching center or in self study, but do it as soon as possible. And one more thing, if you are seeing this sixth month is being hectic, then best part to come out of this trap is take the video course or join the classes and start preparation, so that at least this part you don't have to think that, man, what to study, what to leave, what to study, what to leave. Many people will suggest that, okay, solve previous year question paper, solve previous year question paper. But see guys, nowadays from last 2021 and 2022, question paper pattern is very very different. Okay, it's not like if you are solving the previous year question paper, you can clear 2023. No, it is not like that. Okay, previous year question paper is the part of preparation. Okay, but this is not the sufficient thing. Okay, that's all. Let's meet you on my WhatsApp.